Hi everybody, it is me, Artist King, back with another video. It's been a while since I've actually talked to you guys on these videos, so I hope that everybody is doing well today. It is the start of a long weekend for me, and for some people, I'm not sure if you guys are getting it off. I hope that you guys have a fun-filled weekend. And I just want to say, to encourage you guys today, there's a lot going on in the world right now. A lot of it negative and somewhat depressing. But I just want to encourage you guys today to stay positive. Think of the things that you are blessed with. And try not to dwell on the things that you don't have right now. Try and look at the blessings. Those of you that have family, that have a good support system, that are still able to work and manage to pay your bills and to take care of your family. Dwell on these things, and if you believe in God, just allow God to do what He needs to do and trust Him to do what He needs to do. So anyway, you guys know I love faces, so I'm just trying to do something. I do art in moods. It depends on my mood, and lately I feel like I wanted to go back to doing faces. So I hope you guys would enjoy this video. I try to do something abstract. I try to do something a little bit crazy, get out of my comfort zone a little bit, and try to do something different. So hence the reason for this particular piece that I'm showing you. And I try to put a little bit of mixed media into it as well, to incorporate a lot of different colors, because you guys that know me, I love bright colors. So I'm just trying to do something different. So I hope and pray, God, that you guys are doing well today. And I want to wish you guys a really awesome weekend. And, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell so you know when I post. Okay, so I hope everybody's doing okay, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay, all right, bye now.